Yo, what is going on, guys? So today we're going to be starting the RM250 frame build here, or just start putting the bike together. So we got the RM250 engine here, looking absolutely crazy cool. Love this engine design. We got the frame, powder coated by Blakely Powder Coating. So yeah, we're basically just going to be starting the put it all together. We got the CR here, pretty much almost done. Just a couple things waiting for, like forks, and then this thing will be done pretty quickly, so super excited to see that. But I'm actually really excited to see this one done because, if you know, I didn't even take this bike apart. I actually bought it blown up in a box, so I've never seen it together, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so what we got here is this bike is missing the other mounting bracket for the engine. I didn't take this bike apart, bought it blown up in a box, so I don't really know what's missing and what's not. But this is, I'm missing the other sides. I don't want to wait for one, so I'm going to be making one, and yeah, this should be fun.